Hello, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining and watching. Today, I will try trading again on pocket option. Let's get started and see the results this time. I will trade with an amount of $500. Then I will use the cross signal to analyze the market. These are the available market options, and this is the available signal duration. Equate the signal duration with the duration of a trade like this. Then equate the profit percentage with the market. Click here to get the signal. I would make a purchase based on a signal that appears like this. The reason I made a buy purchase was because the signal that appeared showed strong buy, and this is what made me choose to buy in the upward direction. That's the simple reason behind my decision to open a buy position. Well, friends, if you are interested in trying this tool, the download link is in the description of this video. But remember, I don't oblige or force you to use this tool. All trading decisions are entirely in your own hands, and it is important to understand the risks involved in trading. My advice, if you are not ready to bear the risk, you should not trade first. Also, make sure to only use money that you have prepared specifically for trading. I think you guys have understood the point now. Let's take a look at my first trade. Looks like it's a really good start. I managed to make an incredible profit. As you can see on the screen, the results were as expected, and this gave more motivation for the next trade. Hopefully, the results will remain consistent. All right, guys, now I'm going to move on to the next trade. Let's see if the result will be as good as the first. May luck remain on our side. Well, guys, if you want to know if this tool works well or not, make sure you watch this video to the end. I'll show you the results. So that's my trading results, friends, using cross signal. Thank you for watching to the end. Hopefully, my information and experience can be useful for you. If you are interested in trying this tool, don't forget to download it via the link in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next video. See you in the next video, and I hope your trades are always profitable.